As we work with others, it's really important that we understand the 4 I's of communication. Also, you must keep in mind who's holding the microphone as you create dialogues with others. Now, this formula can be used in a myriad of ways: one-on-ones, development sessions, expectations conversations, discussing challenging situations, or just having informal discussions. Let's take a look at the process. The 4 I's include initiate, inquire, inform, and identify. When we initiate, how are we going to set the tone? What is the purpose? What's the rationale behind having this conversation? When we inquire, what open-ended questions can we ask that create a dialogue between us and the other person? When we're informing, what are we going to say? What facts and patterns have we observed? How are we going to get their reactions, and what do we do with their reactions? And last, how do we identify? What ideal action should you take at the end of this conversation that allows you to move the relationship and the process forward? So again, when it comes down to the 4 I's, it's about initiate, inquire, inform, and identify. A couple things to keep in mind with this process. Number one is that inquire and inform are interchangeable. There are times after you initiate the conversation that you are going to need to inquire and get their input before giving your input. There'll be other situations where you're going to need to inform first and then get their reactions and then inquire. So inform and inquire can be interchangeable throughout the conversation. So again, when you initiate the conversation, are you going to inquire or are you going to inform first? And then at the end, make sure you're identifying those next steps that will help you and that person move forward.